In this video, I'll show you how to connect Pipedrive to Gmail. Start by signing into your Pipedrive account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Personal Preferences. Next, open Email Sync and click Connect Your Account. After that, choose Google as your email provider. Sign into your Gmail account and grant Pipedrive permission to access your email. Now return to Pipedrive and choose your email sync preferences. You can select which emails to sync, decide whether to sync existing conversations, and choose how emails are linked to your contacts and deals. Next, save your settings and wait a few moments for the initial synchronization to complete. Finally, open the Mail section in Pipedrive and confirm that your Gmail messages are syncing correctly. You can now send, receive, and track emails directly from Pipedrive. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Pipedrive to Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.